Hey Siri, I'm home.
I'm home. Coming right up.
Hey Siri, play me something I'd like.
On it. Let's kick things off with some Nicki Minaj.
The first thing you notice when you lift up this box is actually how heavy it is, which is pretty surprising. Fun fact, the Apple Store is giving out bags that fit this box perfectly. Let's get this opened. So revealing the top part. Wow, there it is. It's so nice, so nice. Lifting it up, reveals some packaging and some paperwork in the shape of a circle, which is kind of cool. Matches the HomePod. You get some instructions. Get one Apple sticker. And that's really it for unboxing. So the mesh on the speaker is actually a really soft feel to it. It's pretty cool. The wire is also very soft, which is really unique, and it just feels very different from the typical Apple wires. So just like setting up the AirPods, you just hold your phone or iOS device up to the HomePod device and it'll immediately pop up on your phone. So we're gonna go ahead and pick where's the HomePod. So we're gonna say living room. We're gonna do personal requests. We're gonna agree, enable. I'll go into that in a bit. We're gonna agree to the terms and conditions, and then accounts and settings. We're gonna go ahead and transfer the settings. So with the personal settings that we just transferred over, what that pretty much allows the HomePod access to is when you ask Hey Siri to the HomePod, you can access your reminders, your notifications for messages and respond to them, and also some other things as well. So right now you're seeing this white logo or little light flashing on the top, which is showing that it's setting up right now. And that's it. It's set up.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, Hey Siri, let's try it. Say, Hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, Hey Siri, play some music.
The first thing you notice is how loud this speaker really is. The bass is booming and it really does fill up a room. So this is really hard to show you in this video for the sounds, but trust me, it is loud, this speaker, and it sounds incredible. Up until this point, I haven't found anything that really competes with this really old Bose sound dock that I really love, and today I can confidently say that the HomePod beats it by a large margin. This HomePod fills up the entire room with a great sounding sound. Hey Siri, what's the volume at?
The current volume is 50%.
Hey Siri, let's get the volume to 85%.
Oh no, and my hands are heel figure. I'm running through the check like
Hey Siri, play the next
a
song. And she could still hear me through that. And she did it. Hey Siri, set the volume to 90%. Hey Siri, skip the next song. Hey Siri, pause. That was me talking at normal volume. Isn't that incredible? Siri is also awesome at getting custom playlists. Hey Siri, play some really good hip-hop workout music.
Here are some popular hip-hop and rap songs.
Hey Siri, skip the song. Hey Siri, play some relaxing music.
Ah, I think you'll like this vibe.
And do Siri, thanks. Hey Siri, let's get this party started.
I've heard these songs add more bounce to the ounce.
HomePod also works beautifully with the Philips Hue light system. Hey Siri, set the scene to sunset.
Sunset. You got it.
Hey Siri, set the scene to Arctic Aurora.
Arctic Aurora. You got it.
Hey Siri, lower the brightness of all lights to 50%.
All set.
So yeah, guys, if you are in the market for a amazing speaker and if you are deeply in the iOS system, then this speaker is for you. Remember, think of it this way. This is an amazing speaker with smart speaker capabilities like Siri. And Siri will only improve as we go along. But in the meantime, you will enjoy some amazing sound. So yeah, if you like this video, then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, then please go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, guys.